For youth, I beg, make una wake up, see Oyibo land. Make una begin to ask all this governor, all this free who una get, who una dey call leaders, wey dey lead una every day, anytime wey election dey come. As e dey come now for Anambra State, you know see Wike don dey carry wetin dem dey call am, no be Wike, wetin dem dey call that one, Soludo. E don dey carry men, dey carry gun, dey give them up and down. Wetin dem wan take that gun do? All those things na to take and rig election. They no go fit give you something like this one, so why they show now? No see am. Na them go come here, come hide for inside sea here. Understand? And you get these kind places for our place. These kind places they bring money come. You know people wey dey spend money buy ticket come here. You know see this one here. Buy ticket to come here, come dey spend money, come dey enjoy their life for here. Understand? All these things na im dey provide job. Na im I dey tell this our youth wey dey sleep. Abeg make una wake up. Start dey question these people. Understand? No be say dem go come go build big house for una. Dem no go build environment wey go create money. All these sheep wey dey here, you know how many people all these things dey give money? Because people dey work for all these things wey you see so. Understand? Na im dem call to generate money from every angle. You go dey generate money from every corner. You know see am? See better thing o. Make una dey see am. See better thing. See me see water here. Understand? See, make una dey see am with una two eyes o. No be say dem say, no be photo I dey do. You know this one no be photo, una dey see am with una eye. See Oyibo people wey dem carry their money come dey dodge for their place. Make una see. Young youth, our youth, make una wake up. Make una no dey allow these people dey deceive una with the 200 naira, 300 naira. Say make una go rig election go for them. Make una snatch, make una go snatch and carry am and run. Where you dey run to? As you dey do that, you no know say na your life you dey publish. You dey bring more cost, dey bring more poverty for yourself, for generation to come. Make una ask this una leader question. Say abeg, why all this our riverine area no dey like this? Wey this man dey shot for video. Make una make sure say this video dey reach their hand o. Understand? Because them dey come here, dey enjoy their life with their pikin o. Understand? They say na them be your leader. Wetin dey be leader? Leader no be say if you see better thing you go carry am come home. Na this sense when Mazen and they can't see and finish, Simon Ekpa see and finish, then go say how we go take, how can we be enduring this nonsense for this long? We can't, nobody go endure this kind of rubbish now. Beg. Make una wake up. Let's make this, we hold these people accountable. Let them, if they no provide this, oh boy, make everybody carry him bag, waka out. I dey talk my own. Free Mazen and the girl and free Mazen Simon Ekpa. Now be where we dey. No going back. Okay, now thank you. I beg subscribe to our station, subscribe to this channel. As you are doing that, I say may God bless you. Thank you all.